So, it's Galaxy season, finally. With the weather getting better, it's getting warmer. As you can tell, today it's very bright. This series, I'm planning on photoing as many galaxies as I can, using the 200p, the deep sky, as much focal length as I can get. For the closer galaxies like Andromeda, I will switch over to the other telescope, but primarily I'm using this. I'm also lucky enough that SVbony have sent me their new nebula and galaxy filter to use. So we'll have a comparison in this video. Is it any good? I've heard a lot of good things. I've read some interesting stuff. So this will be your first look, if you've not seen it already, at what this filter can do. So tonight, my plan is 2 targets, as much exposure as possible. According to the apps I've got, we have 0 cloud coverage for the next 12 hours. So we should be good. The keen-eyed among you might have noticed I purchased a new guide scope. This is the SVbony 40mm. I'll put what it is at the bottom because I really can't remember off the top of my head. First impressions, I've tried it once already for one night and it's already a lot better. The 50mm I was using was a very old design. It moved for no reason, basically. It just didn't make sense. But so far, this has been brilliant. Guiding has been brilliant. I can't moan at all. So, I also purchased myself the filter drawer from SVbony. So, easy enough to get in and out. Filter, I have to take the whole stupid thing apart. I will also show you the processing of what I've done and the procedures I use. I keep it simple as possible because I just can't be bothered sometimes, and you can appreciate, like I say, like the title of my channel, I am a dad. I'm a dad of quite a few children, so I don't always have the time. And some of them are pretty young, some of them are quite old, I don't have to bother them. But I digress. So, tonight I'm aiming for 2 targets. Hopefully everything goes well. I will go with as many exposures as I physically can. Then I'm going to switch over to the filter just after the meridian flip. It will give me just enough time to get the scope recalibrated, batten off mask on, refocused, and then let it run for the next couple of hours after that. So, we shall see. Here we are now on the PC. We're going to look at what the difference is. So, this is a single exposure. I have in total 200 photos of M100. So, there's one file and there's the other file. So these are my normal standards and these are with the new SVbony filter. So let me move these out of the way. So without the filter, this is a 60-second exposure. Let me turn that on. So does that make any difference? Probably not. So this is what a 60-second exposure looks like from where I live because of the light pollution. It's not brilliant, but you get enough of them, you can pull something out of it. Zoom in a bit, you can just start to make it out. But as I say, this is a single exposure. So, this is now, again, a 60-second exposure. It will tell you down here, I think. No, not sure. So this is another 60-second exposure of M100 with SVbony's new filter. Now there's a difference for you. That's actually quite impressive. So we can also make out the galaxy here, which off the top of my head I can't remember. And there it is. So that is a difference. Let me pull that off one back up. There it is. You can just kind of see it there. This is auto stretch. Like I said, this is a single exposure. See the clouds coming in. There's only a day apart between. No, sorry, no, there's not. There is 10 days apart between these. But conditions were exactly the same. Temperature, I don't know what temperature was outside. But obviously my station, or my camera shall I say, sorry, not my station. The camera is set to -5 degrees. Same telescope, same setup, everything's pretty much the same. And it was 0% cloud coverage these 2 nights. So, yes. So we'll do a bit of stretching, you will see how I thingy, and at the end, we shall have the comparison. So for the second target, it was NGC 3031, so the Bode Galaxy. 20-second exposures. Oh, I've already pulled this one up. But yeah, you can see 20-second exposure right there. I did exactly the same settings again. The camera's set to -5 degrees, so that's without my filter on. And with the filter, we end up with that. That's actually really impressive. I wasn't expecting that much of a difference, but yes.